This is Dell Inspiron Series 2020 model laptop. It has broken hinge. So I'm going to repair the hinge in this video step by step. First of all, remove this cupboard fan and remove this cover. Remove this battery connector properly and remove this Wi-Fi cables, and this is graphic cables. Remove the hinge pin of the sides. Yes, and pull it and remove it slowly. Yes, keep it safe. It's my hinge. Yeah, remove this screen cover. Yes, keep it and remove this hinge pin of the screen. Keep it safe. And pull it slowly. Screen. I want to repair this hinge. This hinge is very hard. Rotate it anti-clockwise directions. Yeah, it's free now. Don't do much more free because it's can problems. So yeah, it is a hinge fin. Yeah, it is a broken. So I'm going to repair. And you have to connect this pin in the screen board. I am using this glue for connecting this pin. You have to set. Do not have experience, don't do this. It's a little sensitive. There is a 3 pin, so I fix it one by one here. Connect this screen cables properly and lock. Yes, it's now free, this hinge. Connect it and tight screw properly. Connect hinge in next side. And set this frame of the screen. Put carefully here. Yes, this is the cover of this back cover of the laptop, so fix it properly. Yes, fine, it's ready.